Welcome. In today's guide we will be looking at the setup of an LS210 instrument of the Tapkar type. This includes running through the scale parameters, how to view stored data, accessing and editing the user fields and user header, checking load cell diagnostics, and how to connect with a PC. First, it's important to note that most functions are already adjusted by technicians to provide the best service possible. Adjusting is only done based on situational preference or in specific situations. Now, to access the settings, press the function key, followed by the 9 key. This will open the setup menu, where you can use the up and down arrow keys to cycle through the different available settings. The first 3 settings are date, time and increments. Type any number key and press enter to change the date or time. Increments can only be adjusted by technicians. Next is zero tracking, which is switched to off by default, as it is only used in very specific situations. Measuring mode enables the stabilizing filter. Press enter to select your preferred option. Number 6 is the add function. Leave this switch to off as it has no influence on LS210 Tapkar instruments. To change the reference number, simply select any number combination and press enter to save the changes. This number will increase after each weighing. Setting 8 is the capacity, which is set by the technicians. Number 9 is print weighbill. This is the method your weighbill will be printed. While settings 10 and 11 is data output and sending speed. This is connected with how fast the data is sent to the connected PC. You can also ignore setting 12, single weigh. It has no influence on LS210 Tapkar instruments. Number 17 is decimal points, which is used in specific situations. To return to the main weighing screen, select function and the 1 key. To view previous session's data, select the function key then number 6. The following data will be shown: the reference number, vehicle number or registration, net mass, first mass and second mass, the transaction type, and lastly, the date and time of the first mass. Take note, if the second mass is not yet recorded, it will have no values given to net mass and second mass. The user fields is the information fields required for each weighing. To access the menu, select function and number 7. There are a total of 6 fields, which you navigate using the arrow keys to move the flashing square, your selector. If you want to change a field, navigate the selector to the desired field. Start typing to change, and once done, select enter to save the changes made. Or if you want to undo those changes, select function and the 1 key. If you want less fields, enter a full stop and press enter. This will skip the field during the session. The user header is the weighbill header. Select function and 5 to access the menu. Use the arrow keys to move the selector and press the 0 key to delete a letter. This will also move the selector forward 1 space. The first line is printed in wider letters and often used for the company name, while the second and third lines are usually reserved for the company address. To save changes made, select function and 1 to return to the main weighing screen. For diagnostics, select the function key and 4. The Tapkar type uses 1 ID. If the load cell is functioning correctly, it will show the mass. If not, then more than 1 ID was entered. These changes are done by technicians before leaving the factory. The information displayed is as follows: the load cell number, the load cell ID, load cell weight, and the load cell status. If you want to connect the instrument to a PC, first, connect the PC to the instrument with the supplied cable, then run the supplied software. Lastly, press function and the 2 key on the instrument to transfer data. For more guides, visit our website. Thank you for watching.